Hi guys, good morning. Happy Sunday everyone. Hi Albertchi.
Hi.
So we're going for a hike just near in our flat. So the weather is nice. It's not really windy and it's sunny. It's not really cold. So we will go out and have a hike, okay? So I will show you the pathway where we will be going to. Yes, Albertchi?
Yeah.
Yeah? So
Yeah.
Albertchick has his
Yeah.
scooter. Yeah?
Yeah.
So he has his scooter and I'm just walking. So yeah, it will be a nice day for a hike. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my Kitchen Diaries channel and please do like, share, and comment. Come on.
Do you hear something?
Come on. You don't even know where you're right. Come on. So this is the canal, guys. And it's really nice to have a hike. There's ducks over there, guys, over there. So we will go and take a video. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing amazing. So, look, the ducks and the swans. Bye, swans.
No. Let's go there.
Okay, we're going on the other side. Come on. We'll come back here anyway. Come on.
Yeah, but they won't be here anymore. They won't be here anymore.
I'm just gonna get this flower. I'll put this.
There's so many flowers. Mama, take one. I'll take another one. Mama, take another one.
No, there's a lot of flies. Come on.
Oh, come on.
It's okay. I have my one.
Where are they?
There.
I can't see the grass. Something. Oh, I see. I see that. There's a ladybug. It's so cool.
Right, guys, so we will have
Guys,
a
I'm
quick
so sweating.
we will have a quick stop and we will go for Costa Coffee. We bought some juice and water. So yeah, Alberto is sweating. So I'll see you later, alligator. Coffee?
Not coffee. I'm not drinking coffee. I bite the like this.
Let's drink, guys. Coffee. It's very sunny outside and I have to...
And sweaty outside.
Yeah, Alberto is sweating. Looks like his hair so wet. Look at his hair.
Yeah, because that's why we need to go home. It's so warm. I need to be naked because it's so hot outside. Unlike in the Philippines.
We're not even half of our destinations yet. And Alberto's already moaning.
I want to go home. Guys, I want to go home. Should we go for a jog?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go jog. With a scooter. I'm so sweaty, guys.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoy our hiking, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!